Get back to commanding Windows 11 with your voice with this guide for a malfunctioning voice access tool. Now in fixing voice access, try these quick fixes first. Now you should check whether your internet connection provides enough speed, confirm that your connected microphone is working correctly, and check if any other voice-controlled applications are running in the background. Now if the issue still persists, troubleshoot the microphone through the Recording Audio Troubleshooter. So you can do that by searching Recording Audio Troubleshooter, choose your connected microphone, then click Next to proceed with the troubleshooting. Now you should also follow the on-screen instructions to check for any issues with your microphone. Now another solution you can try is to download necessary language pack for voice access, and do that by opening Settings, choose Language, choose your preferred language, then install it. Then after installation, test voice access by saying Voice Access Wake Up. And finally, restart relevant Windows services such as like this. Then right-click on them and select Restart one by one in the Services menu. So that's what you should do if the voice access is not working in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.